All right, guys. Good evening, guys. Good morning, good afternoon. It all depends on when you are watching this video. You are welcome back to this episode today's episode. First of all, this is Brainybite tutorials. If today is your first time of being in this coming across this channel, this is Brainybite tutorial. What we do in this channel is that we teach Jamb candidates tips and tricks on how to pass Jamb UTME examination excellently well. We also assist them pass their Jamb and also to gain admission. Okay, so if this is your first time of coming to this channel, we advise you hit the subscribe button, you turn on the notification bell, so that whenever we upload any amazing video just like the one you are watching right now, YouTube will notify you and you go there and check out the video. So don't forget that this channel will be guiding you, will be giving you updates, Jamb updates, schools updates. We also have a WhatsApp platform where you can join us. If you want to join us, you can click on I will drop the link to the WhatsApp platform on comments on the description of this video, so you can click there to join us. Okay, today I want to bring one, I will call it, I don't know if I will call it minor because most of us already know it, but it's obvious that so many of us fail it in Jamb UTME examination. So it's somehow tricky, but it's not that tricky. So I want to use this opportunity to explain that topic very well, and also to give you guys tips, just as I said before, that what we are doing here is to give you guys tips and tricks on how to pass Jamb excellently well. Okay, so that's why I'm here today. So if I will not waste much of our time. Waste much of our time. So this is a topic you already know. It's called emphatic stress easiest method. Okay, Jamb emphatic stress easiest method. So today I want to give you guys the easiest. When I mean easiest, because this emphatic stress is somehow. So when you are looking at those questions, you feel like that's why some persons, they will pick all those ones that looks more likely true to be true. Like they will pick them. So when they see those ones, they don't know that they are answering the wrong questions. All right. So today we are going to look at it. So let's see where the errors is coming from, and also we'll also teach you guys how to. I'll also teach you guys how to pass it. Like, if you stay to the end of this video, I promise you that when you come across emphatic stress, like, you even close your eyes and answer the question, because this trick I'm going to show you is mind-blowing. I'm just telling you the gospel truth. It's mind-blowing. Like, it will blow your mind. You understand? So I don't want to waste much of our time, so I will dive right into the video now to show you guys exactly how to answer Jamb emphatic stress easiest method, killer strategy. Okay, now let's go. So the first thing there says the word in capital letters has the emphatic stress. Choose the option to which the given sentence relates. Bam, we are here. All right, the word in capital letter has the emphatic stress. Choose the option to which the given sentence relates. So let me pull out my okay, I have my pen right here, so that we don't make oh god. Okay. Oh, don't mind me. I was sorry to interrupt. I was actually doing something and I don't know what happened. So now the first question says, the teacher wants my pen. Pay attention. Oh. The first question says, the teacher wants my pen. Now the option number 1 says, does the teacher want his pen? Option number 2 say, does the teacher what does the teacher want? The option number 3 says, does the teacher want your ruler? That's option number C, which is C. So the last option said, who wants my pen? Now let's go. Let me use some persons will say The first question says, does the teacher want his pen? You'll be looking at it like, what does the teacher want? What does the teacher want your ruler? Who wants my pen? So now let me just go straight to the point, because I promise not to waste you guys' time. Let me just go straight to the point. So now the question said the teacher wants my pen. Now the emphasized word there is mine. The emphasized word there is mine. So now if you want to get this option correctly, if you want to get it correctly, so what you do, you check out the options, look for that one that has mine. All those ones that have that emphasized word is not among. That is wrong. Later we have number D. The option number D says, who wants my pen? The emphasized word is mine, so that is wrong. So now let's go to the C again. The C say, does the teacher want your ruler? Okay. Does the teacher want your ruler? Okay, let's leave that one for now. So now let's go to the option number B. Option number B say, what does the teacher want? Okay, let's use that one. Then let's go to the number A, who say, does the teacher want his pen? Now let me clear you people. Remember in the first place I said that those options that has the emphasized word is not among. Those options that has the emphasized word, just like the way you number D, you will see mine is not among. All right, so you will see mine. So those options that has the emphasized word is not among. So you will ask me a question, why is it that D is the only one that has the emphasized word, why A, B and C is not the one, does not have the emphasized word? So does it mean that A, B and C is the correct answer? No. So we are trying to fish out these three, the best option from these three now. So that's what we are trying to do now. So now let's go. We are trying to fish out the best option from these three. So now the first one is the C say, does the teacher want your ruler? Now let's go back again. The question say, the teacher wants my pen. We are talking about pen, we are not talking about ruler. Does the teacher want your ruler? We are talking about pen, we are not talking about ruler. That one is solved. Okay, let's go. What does the teacher want? What does the teacher want? The option B is not among. The option A says, does the teacher want his pen? Does the teacher want his pen? The correct option is option A, which says, does the teacher want his pen? The teacher wants my pen. You see how it is now. Emphatic stress is somehow easy, but at the same time you may be looking at it as very very easy, but you find out that even that day you may likely fail it. Understand? So but with this strategy now, there's no way you are going to fail it. So if at all you have three options that doesn't have that emphasized word, so what you will do, look at the question very well. So look all of those options, the remaining three options, look what exactly that question is talking about. So anyone that is off point from there, that's not the answer. All right, anyone that is off point from there is not the answer. So that's why we go with option A. So now you can still reference your Jamb past question. This is Jamb past question I'm solving, so you can still reference your Jamb past. I guess this is 2008 2009 Jamb past question. So emphatic stress, no matter how it is, once you just get this key point, you understand, you are going to pass it. All right, if you just get all of this, you are going to pass it. So now let's get down to the next one. Option number 2. I'm back again. Number 2 says, Lamb called Uche a pilot. Okay, Lamb called Uche a pilot. Question number 2 say, Lamb called Uche a pilot. The options here says, the first option is, what is Lamb called Uche? Lamb, which is the emphasized word there, is on the option number A. I don't think that's not the option number A is not the correct answer. So let's skip B for now. Let's go to, did Lam call Uche driver? Emphasize word which is Lam is on the number C, which is C is not the correct option. So now let's go to D, which is, did Lam wish Uche to be a pilot? The Lam there is on the Lam is on the emphasized option D, which is the emphasized word. So it's not the correct answer. So obviously the did Okoro call Uche a pilot is the correct option, which is the number question option number 2, which is the B. That's the correct option. Did Okoro call Uche a pilot? Alright, that's the correct option. So this other 3 is not among. So now let's head down to the number 3rd on our list. Number 3rd on our list. The girl danced in the village square. The girl danced in the village square. So the emphasized word there now is dance. That's the emphasized word. So now let's say okay, option A say, who danced in the village square? Wrong. Dance is there, which is the emphasized word, dance. Is this the village square where the girl danced? Wrong. Okay, now the option number C says, did the girl dance in the village square? Wrong. Option dance is there. You understand? See, the Jamb is somehow tricky. You see, they use past tense here, which is danced. Now option number B, they start using present tense, dance. You understand? So that's just a way to just trick you. You understand? So don't fall their trap. So this is just dance is there. So the option number D says, did the girl sing in the village square? Obviously that's the correct answer, which is option number D. Correct. So did the girl sing in the village square? That's the option. That's the one that doesn't have the emphasized word on it. You understand? So that's the correct option. So let's go to the last one, which is the list, but not the list. The last one says, my father read newspaper. Pay attention, oh. My father read newspaper. My father read okay, my father read the newspaper. My father read the newspaper. Now option A says, did my father steal the newspaper? Okay, most likely. Let's find out. B, who read the newspaper? Wrong. Read, which is the emphasized word, is there. Option C, what did my father read? Wrong. Which is the emphasized word there. D, whose father read the newspaper? Wrong also. So the option number A, which is, did my father steal the newspaper, is the correct answer. So I know this, I believe that I have answered this question, okay, and I also believe it will be helpful to you guys. So that's why I just took out my time, because the question looks very simple and so many persons will also fail it. You understand? So that's why I've taken much of my time to see how I can get this done, and thank God Almighty that we got it done today. All right, so just take out your time, study all of this, check it out with your past question. You understand? Check it out with your past question. Get any previous future question, you understand, from anywhere. Just check it out. Maybe you can browse and look for emphatic stress questions, then you answer it yourself. When you know that you have answered it like over and over again, so you'll be confident enough to approach Jamb emphatic stress question, all right, without no fear. So don't forget that what we are doing here is to help you guys succeed. All right, so that's basically what we are doing. So if you want to encourage us, also want to support us, what you do, you hit the subscribe button. You're not paying for it, just hit that subscribe button. Give us a like thumb. If you really like this video, you give us like thumb. All right, comment, and if you're having any questions, you can let us know in the comment section. You comment, I'll be right there to answer you guys. Alright, so don't forget that I cherish and love you guys. Until I see you guys in my next video again, keep winning.